Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing, Hungary. In this video, I will introduce to you the efficient ventilation and heat dissipation centrifugal fans used in the precision air conditioning system of the data center. Stable operating fans can protect precious data. Overall efficiency optimized for applications. Compact size, very low noise, easy to use. Optional models with 3-phase active PFC function. Optional resonance detection function. Let's check out this fan parameter on the operating condition with our technical engineer. The fans introduced this time are all EBM backward centrifugal AC fans, powered by 3-phase power supply, supporting multiple speed adjustment methods and MODBUS protocol. The interface is equipped with RS485 interface, multi-function I/O port, voltage output port and status relay contact. The first model is R3G355-RG56-01. With dimensions of 372.5 by 372.5 by 247.5 mm. The impeller is made of PP plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. Operating temperature is between -25 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Protection grade IP54. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 400 volt. Rated current 1.7 ampere. Rated power 930 watt. Rated speed 2240 rpm. The maximum air volume is 5340 cubic meter per hour. The maximum static pressure is 930 Pa. The second model is R3G560-8317081579. With a size of 570 by 570 by 358.8 mm. The impeller is made of PP plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. Protection grade IP55. Operating temperature between -40 degrees and 40 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 400 volt. Rated current 6 ampere. Rated power 3950 watt. Rated speed 1900 rpm. The maximum air volume is 18,535 cubic meter per hour. The static pressure can reach 1050 Pa. The third model is R3G630-FB32-03. With a size of 660 by 660 by 403 mm. The impeller is made of PP plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. The operating temperature is between -40 degrees and 40 degrees Celsius. Protection grade IP55. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 400 volt. Rated current 5.7 ampere. Rated power 3700 watt. Rated speed 1420 rpm. The maximum air volume is 21,540 cubic meter per hour. The maximum static pressure is 880 Pa. Our company also has DC fans that can be customized to provide energy-saving solutions for data centers. Our company keeps offering clients with large quantities of sport goods which is available in various fan types and meets requirements of different industries in short delivery time. Moreover, our professional technical engineers can help you choose, design, customize fan solution, etc. For more good fans, please follow us.